Hey guys, this is Erica. Welcome back. We are making a pleated lampshade today. Let's get started. I am a little paranoid about how much I have. So I'm just kind of placing them to see how much space I have. If I have enough to go all the way around, then I can go a little tighter. All right, I'm confident I have enough. I just laid them all over. Still have a little bit left here. Well, I'm not really familiar with using a hot glue gun. My beads, I guess, weren't super hot, but they're kind of firm, but it is sticking. And I was told to not do the bottom yet unless you need to kind of space it out because it does slightly taper. So I'm going to just do the tops and overlap them. I'm just eyeballing this as far as spacing, what I think looks good. So I'll be looking at it all the time. So my opinion matters. All right.
This part of the process was actually pretty relaxing.
Sometimes I'm picking different ones because of the placement of the flowers. It is going to be random, but I don't want it to look like we were trying to match it up. I would rather it be random than like a mistake. I have a feeling I'm going to need more than one glue stick for this project. So a little tap tap. This is nice. And I go back to the front and look before it completely dries to make sure I lined it up right. Now I think the bottom's going to be a little trickier because it is going to spread out a little more. I think I need to go a little closer on some of them because I'm going to need more room to spread as we start going around some of these corners. Looking good. I think I'll have enough. This is what I came up with. I took one of these and I did a just folded it so there's no rough edges. So that one's a little bit doesn't have an overlap, but you know what? That one's got more. Maybe I put one more right here. All right, here we go. Here's the top. That's what I did for that end piece. So we gotta tighten them up and do the bottom. All right, it's really coming to life now. I think it's looking really good. Now, I know some people cut it right at the end and then glue it right on the front because the inside, doesn't look the greatest. But I think I would be more upset with having an unfinished edge here than having an unfinished inside. We'll see if that bothers me later on. But I really like the tuck. I'm still going to put a ribbon here, but I still like how it's finished right there. Maybe I could always trim it down a little bit more in there. I don't know. We'll see. Right now I'm not worried about it. I'm going to finish working on the rest of it. This part is going way faster. All right. All the roses are done. It looks so good. There's the inside. A little messy, but we can clean it up, I guess. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous?
I want to put in a disclaimer that I did a search on Amazon for low heat or no heat light bulbs, and I found some that worked great. They don't emit any heat, and you can leave them on for hours and they don't get hot, which makes me feel a lot more comfortable with the fabric on the inside.
Keep burning my fingers. I was worried because I didn't have enough fabric because Joann's is no longer and I got it at Joann's. You know what I mean? I was like, oh no, I can't go back and get more. I better make this work.
I should have gone a little bit further down with the bottom lace, but I was already invested with the glue on the first part, so I had to go with it, but that part kind of bugs me.
I'll have to peel off all the dried glue when I'm done.